Hi, this is the home automation project which I am currently working on to turn my home into a smart home as part of my hobby. Uh, so last time when I told my friend that I created an interactive device which actually predicts the temperature and humidity of the room and displays it on a OLED display. So he laughed at me and saying that why would someone actually wants to know all these details through an LED display when he actually feels it when he's in the room. So I felt that that is even true, and that's when I decided to make an interactive device which actually sends all these details to my smartphone when I am not in the room, or sends all these details of what's going on in my room when I am in my office or when I am in my hometown or anywhere in this world. So those are all the features that I added to this project, where you can where it will measure the temperature and humidity of the room, and it will also predict if there is any leakage of any combustible gases which will damage your house in case of fire, like LPG or smoke or carbon monoxide or methane. It will notify immediately if there is something wrong related to this leakage of these gases to my smartphone, and at the same time it also predicts any unwanted movement in the home and notifies me that someone entered into your room without your permission or when you are not in the house, like thief or something, to your mobile phone. So what I did here is I created a Thingspeak channel, which is an open source platform for cloud, which will receive all the data from this microcontroller through the Ethernet shield, and the cloud will send me an update of any or notifies me or anything based on the critical levels of gas or any kind of unwanted movement in a house uh, through my mobile phone. So as part of having a feel of what exactly this is, I actually opened this channel public so that you people can see it, what exactly happening in my room. So I kept this channel open for people, for public. So I will explain you a few steps which you have to follow so that you can see in your smartphone what's exactly happening in my room and feel my room. I will let you through. I will run through all the features of my interactive device in a couple of minutes. Hope you will like it. Here I will tell you what are the sensors and devices that are connected to this home automation project. This is the Ethernet shield, which will collect all the information from the sensors through the microcontroller and communicates to the cloud. This is the ultrasonic distance sensor, which is coupled to a servo motor, which is rotating in a 15-degree interval from 0 to 180 degree. It depicts the distance in and around. And the blue sensor which you are seeing is a temperature sensor in the background. It will predict the relative humidity and the temperature in the room. And this is an MQ2 sensor which will sense the combustible gases in the room. Attached is an OLED display which will display all the room statistics like humidity, temperature, gas concentration in parts per million, and intruder distance. All this information is being sent to the cloud through a Thingspeak channel, which I told you earlier. This is the code which has been written in the Arduino microcontroller, Arduino IDE. This is the Thingspeak channel. You can see here the temperature, relative humidity, and gas concentration and intruder distance had been communicated. Let me show you how it's. So I will keep this channel open for public, so you can see the temperature has been updated from the microcontroller. Thingspeak channel will take the information from the microcontroller only every 16 seconds, so you have to wait for 16 seconds to see another data popping up there. So this is the channel location, which is actually the location of my room. So you can see there is a new data that have been relayed, sent to the cloud. So I will explain you 3 steps which you can see the room status of my room, so that you can feel my room, what's the status of my room from different parameters that I'm showing it here. Thanks for watching.